Hello everyone. The day started at 5 am today. One of the first things which I do after getting out of my bed is making my bed. It gives me a sense of small accomplishment and brings me in the action mode for the day. Even if the day does not go well and I come back to a room like this, it makes me feel better. And I started a new thing this year and it's the only thing I'm doing consistently to take care of my oral health. I have started oil pulling. Then I had some dry fruits and sat down to complete first chunk of my studies. I did a lecture of polity from 5:30 to 7 am in which I learnt about lapsing of bills in parliament. I completed the lecture and now shutting down the laptop to start the day. Figuring out my timetable for 4th sem. These are the classes of major subject geography only. Few classes are still to be added to this schedule. After this, I took bath and sat down to pray. इंदुतुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितशोभितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्मा अच्युतशङ्करप्रभृतिभिः देवीः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा निःशेषजाड्यापहा. Then I had my breakfast and got ready to leave for college. Today I need to return this ग्रंथ named Regional Geography of India. फूलों से भरे हुए अपने हॉस्टल से निकल के हम चलते हैं अब कॉलेज के लिए. और कॉलेज पहुंच के पता लगा आज तो कोई क्लास होगी ही नहीं. I tried to search for a book of geomorphology but this was not suitable for our syllabus. अब कॉलेज आ ही गए थे तो यहाँ बैठ के एक और लेक्चर कंप्लीट कर लिया where I got to learn about presiding officers of the parliament. It was almost 1 p.m. and I was feeling hungry. So I left to have my lunch. On my way back to hostel, I got on the bus. It is one of the best things in the campus. The free bus rides for the students is really helpful. वापस हॉस्टल पहुंच के हमने कमरे में रखा अपना झोला और चल पड़े लंच के लिए. लंच करने के बाद मैं नीचे लॉन में आकर के बैठ गई जहाँ धूप में बैठकर थोड़ी देर ये किताब पढ़ी. I have decided to read a few pages apart from my textbook every day. Whenever I have time, I do not doom scroll. Then I dozed off. और नींद खुलते याद आया अभी तो वापस कॉलेज जाना है क्योंकि इंटर्नशिप से रिलेटेड एक लेक्चर दिया जाना था आज. फिर मैंने ली अपनी शाम की चाय और हम बैठ गए वापस पढ़ाई करने के लिए. और पढ़ते पढ़ते लग जाती है भूख और भूख ऐसी वैसी नहीं मन करता है कुछ अच्छा खाने का. Then I had my dinner and a very important discussion regarding some upcoming event, ending my day with this homemade immunity boosting jam. फिर मैंने लगाया अपने दिन का हिसाब किताब कितना हुआ आज काम और कितना रह गया अधूरा. This was all about the first day. Take care. I'll see you in the next